Portage County law enforcement is working to improve its de-escalation tactics in times of crisis. It's especially important now because law enforcement says it's responding to more mental health calls daily.
News 5's Bryn Caswell joins us live in Streetsboro with how a simple piece of paper is making communication and helping others. Good morning, Bryn.
Good morning. So when law enforcement responds to an emergency, they do not always have a full grasp on who they're dealing with or any pre-existing conditions a person may have. But the Mental Health and Recovery Board of Portage County, they've just launched their new communication cards. And this is helping make sure everyone understands each other so everyone can effectively communicate during a time of crisis.
Good morning.
Policing was much different when Streetsboro officer Joshua Bartholomew entered the force 15 years ago.
You get in young, you assume you're running and gunning and chasing down bad guys all the time, and the vast majority of what I do now is talk. You guys ready to rock and roll?
Bartholomew is not only a patrol officer, but he's also Portage County's Crisis Team Intervention Coordinator. He's tasked with teaching first responders across the county de-escalation communication skills.
We're going to talk about a wide variety of things for this training, this class. It's talking people down, it's talking to neighbors, trying to calm them down, family members trying to calm them down, just trying to mediate situations.
Skills Bartholomew says need to be taught as more mental health crisis calls are ringing.
I've been here 15 years. It's gone up drastically from when I started here. A lot of mental health that we respond to, and that's why I feel CIT is so important to have.
To help responding officers get on the same page with their residents during a crisis, it's created new communication cards in partnership with the Mental Health and Recovery Board of Portage County. Residents themselves or legal guardians can fill out this Google form. It asks for name, date of birth, contact information, but also diagnosis, the best method of communication, whether that be through an iPad or icons, ways to calm down, and things that can be upsetting. Karen Kravitz with MHRB believes it will be a game changer.
For example, if somebody is autistic, something that may calm them down is like squeezing things with their hands. If an officer didn't know that and just saw a child perhaps who's autistic do something like that, they may think that's being aggressive, when in fact that may be actually calming them down.
These cards are meant for people of all ages, with all different types of mental health or medical conditions.
I can't tell you the number of people, elderly, typically with dementia, that walk away and we have no idea where they live, no way to get a hold of family. It's that type of person that this ID card was meant to help. Someone nonverbal, unable to communicate with us.
Above all, Bartholomew says the cards help officers empathize to de-escalate accordingly, so everyone remains safe.
We go out all the time without really knowing what we're walking into and who we're dealing with. So when we arrive on scene, it's just trying to put the pieces together.
Since this program launched last week, over 30 residents have signed up so far. Tiffany?
Well, Bryn, that's amazing. How do people get their hands on these cards?
It's super easy. You can head over to our website, news5cleveland.com, click on this story, and that will lead you directly to the link. And you can also visit Streetsboro Police's Facebook page. They posted the Google form link there as well. And once you fill it out and you hit submit, you will be mailed one of those cards with a lanyard directly to your house. So it's very, very easy to fill out. And it's also important to note, both of you, that this is just available right now for those who live in Portage County. Reporting live in Streetsboro, Bryn Caswell, News 5.